weche kaka romo mokwongo mar lalruok e weche kata romo mar lalruok kaka ibiro ta chenro mag twak kinde piny owacho kod Azimio dhi nyime. Koro wadhi ane nyaka gwenge ma Kisii kama jokanyo mag County Assembly ma ne orwako lipot mar thicho oko boda mandiko jotije e kauntino. Ombulu mane ogo odiochieng' ma kawuono atamalo 69 mag jood bura osiro lipodno kata malo 2 kende mane odok ne boda ma Kisii. Crispin Otieno en jafumbo marwa ma Kisii kendo koro ne watudre kode achiel kachiel mondo mi onyiswa ne to gin ang'o gini ma koro igeno ni biro timore bang' wuo oko bod machalo kod ma kinde mano go ombulu ni jood bura mag County Assembly ma Kisii ne ni kod wach mane hie momiyo gigo ombulu mar wito oko bod ka giwacho ni gionge kode gadiera. Ang'o ma bodno kosetimo makare koluwore kod pend chike to en karang'o ma bod manyien ibiro ketie tich mondo weche mag chwalo chenro mag dongruok ne jo piny ma Kisii kik bed gi ng'ikruok. Crispin, nyiswa ne ler kuom gigo motimore e weche mag ombulu mag thicho oko boda mar kaunti ma Kisii.
Misawa inya bati ya winji antiere laro mar od bura mano ma county ni Kisii kama okindi makawuono nwaneno ka od bura ma county ma Kisii othicho oko jogo mosebedo ka tiyo e duolno mar ndiko jotije county ma Kisii mong'ere kaka Kisii County Public Service Board. Momiyo nyaka sani dwani mondo los kod jotelo mantiere bunge ma county ma Kisii mondo gin ler ni nyaka sani weche chalo nang'o. Nwaneno ka atamalo approach go gaboro ogo kura mar neno ni githicho oko jogo matiyo e board no mano ma Kisii mandiko jotije. Karibu katika runinga Citizen Tanzania, mwenyekiti wa ile kamati maalum ya leba. Utuambie tunaitwa nani kisha tuambie kuhusu ile pendekezo ambayo iliwasilishwa mbele ya bunge la kaunti ya Kisii mpaka sasa. Baada ya kubanduliwa mbali kwa bodi hiyo, mwelekeo utakuwa ni upi sasa?
Thank you very much. The petition was brought before the Kisii County Assembly a few weeks ago, seeking for the removal from office of the Kisii County Public Service Board because of violating several articles of the Constitution. And actually, the petition was eventually brought before the Committee of Labour, where I'm the chair, by name Naftali Onkoba, MCA Nyachek Ward. And the members of the Labour Committee have done deliberations. They have listened to the petitioner. They have also listened to the respondents who are the Kisii County Public Service Board members. And today morning, the report was tabled, whereby the board members were found to have violated several articles of the Constitution, including Chapter 6 of the Constitution. You realize in that petition that the board members did what we call irregular promotions and also employing people without advertisement, among other issues that they did wrong in accordance to the law. And therefore, when the report was brought before the Assembly, 69 members out of 71 voted in support of the report, whereby the board members must go home. I want to urge the public that if you are given a job opportunity, let us be careful to follow the law at all times. If you don't follow the law, the members who have been elected to represent the people will do their oversight duty and take you home so that others can take that duty.
Wacha tuzungumza pia na ambaye ni kabla tujazungumza na wacha tuzungumza na majority leader kisha tuambie mpaka sasa mwelekeo.
Asante sana. Kule bungeni sisi tumefanya kazi ambao kikatiba tunakubaliwa kufanya. Kamati ya leba imeleta ripoti, imetupatia ripoti na ilikuwa imefanya recommendations kuwa tuondoe wale wana service board kwa ofisi. Kwa hivyo na wahakikishia kuwa tumefuata sheria, tumefanya haki kwa kila mtu, kwa petitioner, kwa respondent. Kati ya wajumbe ambao tuko katika bunge la Kisii saa 71, 69 wamepiga kura na wamekubali kuwa board iondoke iende nyumbani. Kwa hivyo jukumu ambalo tunalo ni kumwagiza gavana kuwa gavana atangaze hizo nafasi, haajiri watu wapya, wafanye haki kwa wananchi, sababu wale walikuwa wamefunja sheria. Na kwa hivyo tunamwomba gavana achukue wakati wake sasa, haajiri watu wapya ili wasaidie wananchi katika kufanya kazi. Asanteni.
Nami pia nachukua hii fursa kusema ya kwamba komiti ya Reba imefanya kazi mzuri, kwa maana hii service board wamekaa nayo kwa vikao mingi sana. Wameangalia kila petition and petitioners, wameleta malalamishi yao, wamekaa na wamekuja na the way forward. Constitution imeangaliwa, sheria imefuatwa, and they are being found guilty. Sasa sisi kama waheshimiwa, hiyo kitu ilikuja kwa assembly, tukaangalia, we went through the report, and we found the service board being guilty. They were given chances to employ. For example, they were given 47. Instead of employing the 47, they employ 50. So we as honorable members, we had to vote for our rights, and we voted in 69 out of 71. I'm requesting our able governor to announce the vacancies for the service board, and those who will be able to get the vacancy wachukue nafasi yao, warinde hiyo kazi, wembe ni hure hure. Thank you.
Kwa majina naitwa Nicholas Orina. Mimi ni nominated MCA katika Kisii County Assembly. Ningependa kutoa maoni yangu kwanza kabisa kwa kuwapongeza bunge wenzangu kwa kazi nzuri ambayo mmeweza kuifanya, kwa sababu kulingana na ripoti ambayo iliyoletwa bungeni na kamati hii ya Leba, imetuonesha kwa umakini sana kwamba wamekuwa ofisini wakifanya kazi pasipo kufuatilia katiba ya nchi hii yetu ya Kenya. Na ningependa kumuomba gavana wetu kwa nafasi hizo atakazo zitangaza kwamba ziko wazi, wale watakao jaribu kupata kazi zile, naomba aweze kuwa na ule moyo wa kuweza kuinclude hata na walemavu katika kaunti hii yetu ya Kisii, ili na wao pia waweze kupata nafasi katika ajira hizi za kaunti. Asanteni sana.
Asante sana. Bati manaka kiwinjo no mane kaka weche chalo bunge ma kaunti ni Kisii omiyo angne wa nyise joneno mag Ramogi TV kalore kod kaka weche chalo kuom thich mano thich godo ko jogo matiyo e board no mar ndiko jotije. Ko kamano angna wegi kanyo kendo angna tudre kod kendo kodu kanyo bange e weche manyien mabiro. Bati
erokamano ja Crispin Otieno kuom miyo report mane mbainya ka otenore kod wach mane omako board kata bura mane osechwal nyim jood bura ma County Assembly ma Kisii ewi board mandiko jotich e kauntino, mabende koro gikone to wo konyo